Hi students, welcome to Malaradi Memorial Digital Classroom. In class 10 English, the first unit that we have dealt with is personality development. A reading of the unit personality development is attitude is altitude. In this lesson, we have learned about Nick Vujicic. We had an introduction to Nick Vujicic's life. We have learned how Nick has become independent with the help of his parents. We have also learned that his mother and father have tried their level best. Though they were depressed a lot when Nick was born, they couldn't even hold him for many months. His parents decided to send him to a normal school, make him independent, giving him courage. Mother invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen or pencil. Let us come back to the lesson. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. We have dealt with this part. There was a lot of risk of being bullied in the normal school, in the mainstream school. Nick's parents didn't deviate from the decision to join him in the mainstream school. Though it was very hard for him, Nick says that it was the best decision they could have ever made. Nick has achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate later. When Nick was 8 years old, we have learned he went to his mom crying, telling that he wanted to kill himself. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents were there to look after me. I could brush my teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with a pump action soap, but there was so much that was impossible for me. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bathtub, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. I felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. It is hard to hold on, he said. But with the help of his religion, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Nick went to his mom crying that he wants to commit suicide, but his parents were very supportive. Parents have arranged everything for him. He could brush his teeth with a wall-mounted brush and he could take bath with a pump action soap. However, there were many things that he could not do. He was still depressed. Nick was very depressed and he tried to commit suicide jumping into the bathtub. Luckily, the attempt was unsuccessful. Luckily to everyone. We would have missed such a great personality if the attempt was successful. Luckily, the attempt was unsuccessful. Nick felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. When you don't have a purpose in your life, when you don't have strength to fulfill the purpose, there is no meaning of life. That's what Nick felt. It is hard to hold on. It is very, very difficult when you don't have an aim. It is very difficult to live, very difficult to survive. That is a situation of a handicapped personality. But he has overcome this depression with the help of his religion, friends and family. He managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Pull through means get into. He has managed. He has become a symbol of triumph. Triumph means victory over adversity. Adversity is nothing but disaster, weaknesses. He has become a symbol of victory, triumph over adversity. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and helped others, said Nick. I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. When Nick was just 13 years old, he read a newspaper article about a disabled man who managed himself to achieve great things in his life. That was a turning point of Nick's life. He realized why God had made him in that manner, to give hope to others. When he lives successfully, when he becomes successful, people gets motivated. Being a torso Nick Vujicic was able to become successful, then why can't I? People get motivated. So Nick realized that the purpose of his life, God had made him in that manner, in that particular condition, is to give hope to others. The article was so inspirational to him. He decided from that moment he would spend the rest of his life to give courage to people. The courage that he received from the newspaper article, he was ready to share with others. I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't have. From that moment, Nick has decided to be thankful for what he has, not get angry about what he doesn't have. This is what we do many a time. We cry over what we don't have. We say, I don't have enough money, I don't have a car, I don't have a bicycle, I don't have enough fairness. We complain over many things. We pray to God. Heaps of complaints will be showered when we pray to God. Remember, never complain about what you don't have. Think what you have and concentrate on what you have. We are bestowed with many talents in our life. If you look at the weaknesses, you will see only fault. Whereas if you look within your talent, you can become successful. That is the attitude we must have. Life should be celebrated. Life is a celebration. Being alive itself is a celebration. So never complain about what you don't have. Always be thankful to God for giving many things to you. Whenever you lack strength, you compare your life with the people who are not in good position. Compare your life with the handicapped people. Compare your life with the people who live in slums. You will get courage. You are far better than the people who live in slums. That is the courage we need to gather. I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what, the world is right that I have no arms or legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Nick used to look at the mirror and speak to himself. You know what, the world is right that I have no arms and legs, but they will never take the beauty of my eyes. I want to concentrate on something that is good. Nick focused on the beauty of his eyes. People may say, world may say that he is a person without limbs, but they cannot take the beauty of his eyes. He wanted to concentrate on something that he has, his talent. He says, the challenges in our life are there to strengthen our convictions. Convictions means beliefs. We have certain beliefs, faiths. Whenever we face a challenge, they are there to strengthen our convictions, strengthen our beliefs. We get energy from the challenges. Never run away from the challenges, accept it. They are not there to run us over. Challenges are not there to defeat us, but we must face the challenges. In 1990, Nick won the Young Australian Citizen Award for his bravery. Bravery means courage. Perseverance. The word perseverance means ability to bear things under any circumstances. He had the quality of perseverance and bravery. So that's why he won the Australian Young Citizen Award. And once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was looking at me interestingly. She could see only my head, so I decided to do a 360-degree spin in the car seat to freak her out. Her face was like, whoa, what is going on? She sped off really quickly. Once Nick was at the traffic lights, a car was stopped there. Nick was sitting at the car seat and a girl in the opposite direction was looking at him very interestingly because she could see only Nick's head. She could not see the entire body of Nick. So Nick wanted to freak her out. The word freak her out means frighten. What did Nick do? Nick did a 360-degree spin in the car seat. Usually when we sit in the car seat, we may not be able to rotate ourselves in the seat because our legs will be an obstacle. Whereas Nick, as he doesn't have legs or hands, he is simply placed on the car seat. He was able to do a 360 degree, a round circle, just a somersault he was able to make. The woman, the girl was frightened. Her face was like, oh, what is this? She sped off really quickly. Sped off means she drove the car quickly and escaped from the spot. He was shocked to find someone making a 360 degree spin in the car seat. Nick began traveling the world, and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf and I was terrified at first, but once I got up there it felt absolutely fantastic and I caught some waves pretty well. Nick started traveling around the world in 2008. He went to Hawaii. Hawaii is an island. Hawaii Island, and met a surfing master. Surfing master is a person who teaches surfing on the waves. Her name was Bethany Hamilton. What is her specialty? Her arm was bitten off by a shark when this girl was 12 years old. When this girl was 12-year old, one of her arms was bitten off by a shark. Nick says she was amazing master. She taught Nick how to surf. At first, Nick was very terrified and shocked because without limbs he is going to surf. But once when he reached the waves, he felt it absolutely fantastic. He was able to manage the waves pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do a 360 degree spins on his board, a feat that got him on the cover of Surfer magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of surfing, he said. But I have a very low center of gravity, so I have got pretty good balance. Soon Nick learned how to do a 360 degree spin. What is 360 degree spin on the surfboard? Just before we have learned a 360 degree spin in the car seat that he himself was just rolling over. 360 degree spin on the surfboard is nothing but standing on the surfboard, moving towards the waves and making a circle with the skateboard. Normally people cannot do that. Within 48 hours of the feat is nothing but the skill, exhibition of the skill, feat. Within 48 hours, he appeared in the Surfers magazine cover page. In a sports magazine cover page, whom do you find? You find Virat Kohli or football players, badminton players. Is it only famous personalities will appear on a magazine's cover page? The same was with Nick Vujicic. Within 48 hours of his 360 degree spin, he got into Surfers magazine cover page. No one has ever done in the history. How was Nick able to do that 360 degree spin? Because he has low center of gravity. As he has no limbs, he got pretty good balance on the surfboard, which enabled him to make a 360 degree spin. So in today's session, we have learned how Nick gathered courage, how he started motivating his people, how he himself motivated, how did he freak a girl at the traffic light, how did he learn surfing, who was his surfing master. These were the things dealt today. Let's see the rest of things in the next session.